All right, here's a blueprint to starting a successful cottage food business. Now, have you ever dreamed of turning your kitchen into a money-making machine? Imagine making thousands of dollars each month without leaving your house. In this video, we're giving you the ultimate step-by-step blueprint to start your own successful cottage food business. And if you stick with me to the end, I'll actually reveal one secret that skyrockets your sales, something most people actually never talk about from home-based food businesses. Let's start with the basics. So what the heck is the cottage food business? Well, it's pretty simple. This is when you actually get to sell homemade food products directly from your kitchen legally. You want to think jams, cookies, cakes, breads, and even a whole bunch of savory snacks if you want. The best part? No expensive commercial kitchen is required. And you can actually start for as little as $50 for ingredients and packaging because the majority of the equipment you already own, and grow it into a business making thousands of dollars a month. Oh, and did I mention cottage food laws makes it easy to start in almost every single state. But hold up, before we grab your mixing bowls and all of your utensils, you need to know the rules in your state. Cottage food laws vary, of course, by state, but they usually outline what foods can sell, where you could sell them, places like farmers markets, events, or even online. Some states, labeling requirements to keep your customers safe. Now, it might sound complicated, but don't worry. We're linking free resources in the description to help you figure it all out to our other channel dedicated to cottage food laws. And trust me, spending 5 minutes researching your state's rules will save you hours of headaches down the road. Okay, so now, here's where the fun begins. Decide what to actually sell. The trick to picking a product that's 1, easy to make in batches, 2, uses inexpensive ingredients, and 3, has massive appeal. Now, let's say you choose cookies for an example. You can experiment with unique flavors like sea salt caramels, white chocolate cranberry, just to stand out and mention a couple. And don't worry, if you're not a pro baker, your grandmother's recipe might just be your golden ticket. Okay, your product is locked in. Now it's time to set up shop. Now, here's your mini blueprint. Number 1, get a permit. Depending on your state, you might need to register your business with local health authorities and get a business license. Number 2, brand it like a boss. You want to pick a catchy name and design a logo that screams professional. Remember, people eat with their eyes first. Investing in packaging that makes your product look like it belongs on a store shelf is going to sell even more. Now comes the biggest part of your success: getting your product in front of as many eyes as possible. Social media is your best friend when it comes to this. Post irresistible photos on Instagram, Facebook, even TikTok if you'd like. Oh, and by the way, don't forget to ask your friends to share it. That is free advertising. You can also sell at farmers markets or even create an online store. But here's the kicker. Make sure your customers can easily reorder your items. A repeat customer is worth gold. And here's the secret I promised. Create limited time offers. You want to launch seasonal products like, let's say, pumpkin spice cookies in the fall or peppermint fudge during the holidays. Scarcity drives demand, and your customers will be scrambling to buy before it's even gone. Boom, your sales just doubled. You're welcome. So there you have it, the ultimate blueprint to starting a successful cottage food business. Now it's your turn to make it happen. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more money-making food business tips. And remember, the secret to success is just one step away. Are you ready to take it?